Here you can see popular advertisement. This advertisement has got more than 26,000 views. This advertisement has got more than 14,000 views. This advertisement has got more than 10,000 views. Here you can see categories and here you can see location. All these categories have lots of advertisement. Let me show you this advertisement. Here you can see image. Here you can see description. Here you can see views. Here you can see clickable text. This person has inserted URL on this text. When any person will click on this text, then they will be redirected on another website. Guys, using this platform, you can advertise your website or URL. The best part about this platform is that you do not need to worry about any kind of investment. You can advertise your website in free. Using this platform, you can get lots of users. Here you can see this post has got more than 6,000 views. This post has got more than 5,000 views. Similarly, you can advertise your website. In this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can create advertisement on this platform in free and how you can get lots of users. You need to watch this full video without skipping any part. Guys, if you will skip any part, then maybe your advertisement will not go live on this platform. You need to watch this full video without skipping any part. Guys, I will promote Adsterra a smart link to get some interesting results. Here you can see my result. Let me refresh this page. Here you can see my result. Guys, I have got this result using different methods. I'm going to share with you one of those methods in this video. You need to watch this full video. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, you can go on Adsterra platform. This is the best and most popular platform. You can click on sign up button. Here you can see you can monetize your website or other traffic like Facebook traffic, TikTok and app. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see what you get. You can get high CPM rates, regular payouts, browser-friendly ads, and partner care program. You can monetize your website, in-app, or social media traffic like Facebook, TikTok. You can type here your email address. You can type your first name, last name. You can type your unique login ID. You can type your password. Now you can select your messenger type. Like you can select Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. You can select any of this messenger. Now you can type your messenger ID. You can select here your country. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on sign up button. Guys, you can easily get approval from Adsterra platform. After creating account on this platform, you will then come to this page. Here you can see easy to understand dashboard. If you have website, then you can add here your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. You can simply click on a smart links button. Here you can see you can create a smart link. You can add the link anywhere. You can paste it in any social media post or website. Works great with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. You can click on add a smart link button. Now you can select your traffic type. You can click on add button. Here you can see I have created a smart link. You can simply click here to copy link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can add that smart link in any social media post or website. You can also paste that smart link on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. I'm sure you will have lots of friends on Facebook, Instagram. You can share that smart link on Facebook or Instagram. You can also visit on AdPostman platform. Here you can see there are are a lot of popular advertisement. This advertisement has got more than 8,000 views. This advertisement has got more than 10,000 views. Here you can see location, Hong Kong. Here you can see there are a lot of categories. You can simply click on post free ad button. It will then take you to this page. You can create account on this platform. Guys, here you can see featured ads. Here you can see location Italy, India, Ireland, Kenya, Switzerland, Canada. You can see there are a lot of people posting advertisement on this platform from different countries. This platform is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can use this platform from anywhere in the world. Guys, you need to watch this full video. Do not skip any part, otherwise you will miss some important part. You can select your category. You can see there are a lot of categories to choose from. You can choose here any of this category. Now select your subcategory. You can type your title. You can select your price. Now you can type your description. Guys, you can use DeepSeek platform to generate attractive articles for advertisement. You can type here this kind of title. You can type here this kind of description. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you can go on Adsterra platform. You can click here to copy this smart link. You can copy a smart link from Adsterra platform. Now you can visit on this platform. You can select any of this text. Now you can click on this link icon. You can paste here a smart link. You can click on this button. Now you can scroll down. You can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your smart link. Click on this button. Now you can scroll down. Guys, this is optional. If you want, you can upload your image. This image will help you to get more engagement. Now you can select your country. You can select tier 1 country. Like you can select United States, Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, Switzerland. You can select a top country. You can select your location. Now you can scroll down. You can type your phone number. Now you can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. You can see here is showing my advertisement. And here is showing clickable text. Here is showing description. Here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this text, then Adsterra may show advertisement according to user. For that advertisement, Adsterra may create your account. You can also paste that smart link on social media post or website. Adsterra platform display browser-friendly advertisement. Using this method, you can get some interesting results from Adsterra platform. If you want to learn more about Adsterra platform, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.